Meditation can be an incredibly powerful tool for improving our mental and physical well-being. But as a beginner, the practice can seem overwhelming and intimidating. But don't worry, we understand how challenging it can be to start a new activity, especially one that requires discipline and patience. Thankfully, you've stumbled upon the right information you need to get started. In this video, we will reveal 7 secrets to help you get started with meditation and stick with it. Pay close attention to secret number 6, which is often cited as the ultimate secret to meditating effectively. We would love to know your thoughts on these 7 secrets. After watching the video, please let us know which of these secrets you think is the most important by leaving a comment below. Before we begin, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a free giveaway that will be revealed later in the video. Let's get started. Number 1. Get into a comfortable position. The key to successful meditation is to get into a comfortable position and remain still and relaxed. When our bodies are uncomfortable, it's difficult for us to focus on our breathing and relaxation techniques because we're too focused on how uncomfortable we feel. So how can you find the best meditative position? First, be mindful of your posture. You want to sit upright and make sure your back is straight and aligned with your neck, shoulders, and hips. This will help keep your body in balance and allow you to breathe deeply without tensing or straining your body. Second, find a cushion or pillow. Sitting on the floor can be uncomfortable, especially if you have tight muscles or sore joints. Consider sitting on a cushion or bolster to give yourself extra support and comfort while meditating. Third, experiment with different positions. Different positions will work better for different people depending on their anatomy and preferences. You need to try out different poses until you find one that feels right for you. Kneeling, sitting cross-legged, or even lying down are all great options for finding a comfortable position during meditation. Just make sure whatever position you choose keeps your spine straight. Fourth, be aware of distractions. Once you've found a comfortable posture that works for you, you must remain aware of any distractions around you, such as noise or light that could disrupt your meditation practice. Before beginning your meditation session, make sure there aren't any glaring lights shining into your eyes or loud noises coming from nearby rooms. Number 2, focus on your breath. Focusing on your breath helps to keep you grounded in the present moment. It's easy for our minds to wander off and start thinking about other things when we're trying to meditate. You can stay focused on the here and now by drawing attention back to your breath. The next time you start meditating, pay close attention to your breath as soon as you begin. Notice how your breath feels coming in through your nose, filling up your lungs, before slowly releasing it out again. Try counting each inhale and exhale if that helps you stay focused. Or repeat a word or phrase like breathe in peace and breathe out love as you breathe in and out. Doing this will help block distractions from entering your mind while providing something for your brain to focus on without letting it drift away with distracting thoughts. Number 3, let go of thoughts and emotions. To get the most out of meditation, it's important to learn how to let go of your thoughts and emotions without judgment or attachment. This involves consciously releasing any negative feelings or stressful thoughts from your mind without dwelling on them or trying to analyze them too deeply. Instead, focus on simply being present at the moment so that you can observe your thoughts without becoming attached to them. Letting go of your emotions is often easier said than done, but it will become more natural with practice. First, clear your mind before you begin. Before you start your meditation session, take a few moments to clear your mind. Take deep breaths, paying attention to the sensation of air entering and leaving your lungs. Notice any thoughts or feelings that come up, then let them drift away as if they were clouds passing by in the sky. This practice helps you become more mindful so you can focus on what's important letting go of those negative thoughts and emotions. Another thing you can do is to visualize letting go of negativity. Once you've focused on your breath for a few minutes, begin visualizing yourself letting go of any negative thoughts and emotions that might be weighing you down: anger, fear, or even stress. With each out-breath that leaves your body, breathe out the negative thoughts and emotions. Imagine these unwanted feelings drifting away like vapor into nothingness until there is nothing left but peace and calmness. Every time an unwanted thought or emotion rises up within you, visualize sending it away with each out-breath until only tranquility remains. Number 4, set an intention for your practice. Setting an intention is one of the best ways to maximize the effectiveness of your meditation practice. It will help keep your mind focused, encourage mindful presence, and provide motivation when things get challenging during practice. The good news is that setting an intention is easy. All you need to do is decide what kind of experience you want to have in your meditation. What would make this session meaningful or successful? This could be anything from wanting to feel relaxed and peaceful at the end of your session to simply wanting to focus on being present at the moment. Whatever resonates with you is perfect. Once you have chosen your intention, take a few moments before each session to remind yourself of that purpose and focus on it as much as possible throughout your practice. Number 5, make time for regular practice. Making time for regular meditation practice. You may want to reflect on whether your audience will be confused by mentions of meditation and mindfulness. If these are the same, perhaps you should choose one consistent term. It does not have to be complicated. You just need the right tools and strategies. First, start small and slow. Always remember that it's okay to start small and slow. Don't be too hard on yourself if you don't feel like you have an hour every morning or night to devote to meditating. Just start with 5 minutes or even 2 minutes. Even a few moments spent in mindfulness can make a big difference to your mental well-being. Second, use guided meditation. If it feels difficult to get started meditating on your own, try using guided meditation instead. With this type of meditation, someone will talk you through the entire process step by step. All you need to do is listen and relax into the experience. There are many free guided meditations available online that you can use anytime. Number 6, incorporate visualization techniques. Visualization is a technique where you focus on mental imagery to manifest what you desire. It can help you connect with your emotions, gain clarity, and increase self-awareness. Visualization during meditation has several benefits. It helps you to stay focused. When we sit down to meditate, our minds tend to wander in all directions. Instead of just letting this happen, visualization encourages you to bring your attention back to something specific. This helps you achieve greater stillness and concentration during your meditation sessions. Visualization also helps you to tap into your subconscious mind more easily. Our subconscious minds hold all sorts of information about ourselves that we may not be consciously aware of. By using visualization techniques during meditation, you can start to connect with this part of yourself and uncover hidden insights that may be blocking you from achieving your goals or reaching a higher level of consciousness. Visualizing during meditation can also help you manifest what you want in life. This could be anything from success in business or career, better relationships, improved physical health, or increased spiritual awareness. By visualizing images and desires while meditating, you send out positive energy into the universe, which can attract these outcomes into your life much easier than if you just wished or hoped for them without taking any action. Number 7, integrate affirmations. Affirmations are simple statements that remind us of who we are at our core, full of love, light, and potential. Repeating affirmations during meditation can help you remember who you truly are and help you stay grounded in your true self, rather than acting out of fear or insecurity. When starting with affirmations during meditation, it's important to choose affirmations that feel right for you at this moment in time, as well as ones that resonate with your personal goals or values. Try writing down a few affirmations before beginning each session. This will ensure that you have something tangible to refer back to if you get distracted during your practice. Remember to take some time after your meditation to reflect on any insights or messages that arise from these affirmations during your session. This will allow you to further integrate their power into your daily life. There you have it. 7 amazing secrets to help you as you begin your meditation journey. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please share it with your family and friends. You could help someone get more out of their meditation practice. They will be grateful to you, and you will be part of all the good that comes from that. It will be a positive feedback loop that can only bring more good into your life. Plus, the more people become aware of the power of meditation, the better our world will be. We would love to hear from you. Which of these secrets resonates with you the most? Do you have any advice on how to integrate affirmations? Let our community know by leaving a comment below. Before you go, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to claim your free gift by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a meditative day.